Welcome back to Farming on 40 Meters Squared, and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to be harvesting my chilies that I planted a couple of months ago. They're looking very nice and ripe, so let's go ahead and see what we get out of the small amount of space that I've planted in. Cheers!
William wakes up with a golden glow, rows of red where the chillis grow, sweat on his brow as the morning hums. Farming on 40 meters square, here he comes. Hands in the soil where the fire takes root, dreams of spice in every fruit. Wind in a tree sings a farmer's tune. Sun rising high, he'll be done by noon. Picking chilies from the plants so fair, life on the edge with naught to spare. William smiles, a humble man, harvesting dreams on 40 meters square. His neighbors come, telling tales, trading song. He works with hope, not just despair, in his kingdom of 40 meters square. Dirty boots and a heart alive, pain in his hands, but the joy thrives to the rhythm of crops. The earth declares life on 40 meters square. Picking chilies from the plants so fair, life on the edge with naught to spare. William smiles, a humble man, harvesting dreams on 40 meters square.
So after all that hard work, let's see what we got. So from the smaller chili plants, we got 425 grams of chilies. And then from the 4 meters squared, we got 3.325 kgs. So in total, we got 3.75 kilos from basically 4 meters squared. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.